If you're using the Apple Watch Ultra 3 with the trail loop band, you'll notice right away that it works very differently from traditional watch straps. Instead of buckles or pins, it uses a lightweight pull-through design with a hook and loop fastener, which is meant to be quick, secure, and adjustable on the go. For new users, this can feel a bit unfamiliar at first, especially when figuring out how tight it should be or how to take it off without twisting the band. The good thing is that once you understand how the loop system works, putting it on and removing it becomes incredibly fast and comfortable. It's designed for ease of use, whether you're heading out for a workout or just wearing it daily. Try these. Step 1. Hold the trail loop band and open the hook and loop fastener completely. Step 2. Slide your wrist through the loop with the watch face positioned correctly. Step 3. Pull the band to adjust it so it fits snugly on your wrist. Step 4. Press the hook and loop section down firmly to secure it in place. Step 5. Make sure it feels comfortable, not too tight, but secure for sensor accuracy. Step 6. To remove, lift the tab to release the fastener and slide your wrist out.